In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get AliExpress ring light sale in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a lot of different ways you can get a sale on ring light. The first thing you're going to do is open your AliExpress application and click on coins that you can see on the top. Now, this is a way to go ahead and get a discount on almost anything. Just collect coins every single day, and you can simply head to the search bar on the top right of this coins page, where you can simply go ahead and search for whatever you are looking for. Let's just say ring light for this video, and then you can see all the discounted ring lights with the coins as well. You can also go ahead and head all the way out at the back, and now you can simply go ahead and head into welcome deals as well, which will also have a lot of different discounts. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.